The Day-Day operation of June 6, 1944 brought together the land, air, and sea forces of the Allied armies in what became known as the largest ambitious invasion in the military history. The operation, given the code name Overlord, delivered 5 naval assault divisions to the beaches of Normandy, France. Noong June 6, 1944, nag-day-day operation ang lahat by land, by sea at saka by air forces ng mga Allied armies in what became known as the largest operation in military history. Ayan guys, yan parachute show, meron silang parade, meron silang show sa stage at saka mayroon mga showcase ng mga military ammunitions and cars and motorbikes that they used during World War II. Wala guys, manonood tayo ngayon ng parachute dito sa Utah Beach. Tara, sama kayo. Let's go! Yan guys, ang mga plane na yan, yun yung ginamit noong 1944, noong World War II. Gumagana pa sila. Mababa lang ang lipad kasi naguhulog yan ng mga bomba. Kaya maraming butas-butas ang dito ang area ng lapit sa dagat. Yung beach dito. Nood naman tayo dito sa musical band sa stage. So marami nag-perform dyan ng mga band. Galing sila lahat sa USA, Canada, Australia, Great Britain, and some other country who supported the Day-Day. They called it the Doomsday of invasion of Normandy. Voila, we're going to the shops and waiting for the parade later. Kaya abangan. Day-Day was the start of Allied operation which would ultimately liberate Western Europe, defeat Nazi Germany, and end the Second World War. It was the largest invasion ever assembled before or since landed 156,000 Allied troops by sea and air on 5 beaches heads in Normandy, France. Wala guys, ang dami nagre-recruit ng Marines, ng Légion Étrangère, yung siguro ko hard talaga yung training kasi puro military ang andito, nagre-recruit sila lahat. Ayan. Ayan. Continue tayo manood ng parade. So we just finished watching the parade from USA. Dito sila sa France. Imagine. Dami nila eh. So, tignan natin sa kabila. Voila. So I think we're going to see the exposition ng mga armas militar. Voila. Sa cannon tanks, military tanks, and amphibious vehicles na ginamit noong 1944. There are so many tourists wearing a uniform and the nurses wearing uniforms just only to show the festival or the anniversary of these events. And they're showing this exposition, the vehicles they used to use it during 1944 invasion. So voila guys, iyan, tapusin na natin manood dito sa exposition ng mga vehicles at iikot tayo and then we're going to end this up. The deception would do exactly that. Although the Germans knew an invasion was coming, they did not know where and when it would take place. Imagine, ang dami man naman lumusob eh. Nandyan yung USA, nandyan yung British, yung Canada, and then there are some African nations to come over, and they call it the Allied troops to invade and sending bombs, etc. Ah, il y a quelqu'un dedans. Battalion.
Rigolo. Il rigole, j'ai été accompagné.
Yeah.
Oula, il est gros lui.
Ah ouais. C'est dur à marcher.
T'as vu le temps?
Oui.
3400 heures de restauration.
Oh my gosh. Ah, c'est bien, il n'y a personne. Oh là 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 là. Quel bonheur. Ito guys, yung mga ginagamit nilang mga motorbikes sa mga amphibious cars, tank noong World War II, 1944-46. So now I am now tapos na yung bisita natin dito sa military camp. So now we're going to visit the bunker here along the beach, and there are plenty of holes everywhere where they dropped the bomb during World War II. Wala. Tara. Wala, there's plenty of holes from the bomb.
Oui,
Bien préparé, hein?
les autres étaient encore mieux prêts.
Ouais. Wala guys, dito nagtatapos yung ating panuod dito sa 80th years anniversary ng Day-D, yung Doomsday ng World War II, 1944-1946 dito sa Normandy, France. At sa buong mundo, kasi World War II At saka sa iba't ibang iba't ibang lugar ng France, light lang. Pero dito sa Normandy, dito talaga ang kanilang binumba ng binumba. So thank you guys for watching. See you on my next travel vlog.